Let me just put them there. Take your circle, snip, colour the paper, snip all the way around. Take something, you know, thin and round. Once you've coloured them, curl the paper round, do them all one way on one side. Or you can do them alternate, whatever you want, but to get that, look at that, beautiful look. And then layer them. And each layer you put in, it brings it up like that. And I think that's fantastic. I mean, can you imagine that, two of those together on a tree? Right, I'm just finishing off this last one. I've curled them that way and that way, so I've done one layer. I've done 3 one way and 3 of the other, and we're just going to alternate, doesn't matter, it's the same thing. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to start and make them up. So I'm going to take one of the, so that's that way. Oh, I've done 4 one way, never mind, doesn't matter. Start in the middle and then pop that one on like that. They make like a really, really good daisy type flower. So then we're going to do that way. And the more layers you put on, the deeper the flower goes. See? See the profile on that now? Beautiful. And I'm just going to put another one in. I might be able to do all 6 because this was a smaller one than the last one, than that one. Yep, we'll get that in. Like that. Now, should I put another one in? Oh yeah, I'm going to put the last one in, I think. I'm just going to squash these up to start with, just to help that sit in there, like that. Beautiful. Look at that. And then what you do is, it's like a little well now. Beautiful, aren't they? And like I say, I haven't seen these before. All I know is I was one of the first ones to do them. And then, oh, beautiful. I don't even have to glue that in. That'd stay in. Because it is a big pearl. I do want to have it in properly. In there like that. And these are gorgeous, gorgeous flowers. So for a newbie, so easy to do. And then all I'm going to do is to, let me just get some water in here. Did I fill it up? Yes, I did. A little bit of water on the gold paint. I'm just going to make sure that it's right. And then all you do is that. Just brush the ends. And this is the Inca Gold. Now, I know a lot of people have the tubes. I also have the tubes as well. But when I came across this, you can actually use this with water and a paintbrush and paint. But you can just rub it as it is. I mean, it's gone hard now, mine. So I just wet it again to bring it back to life. But, you know, it's so simple to use. You get a lot more for your money. And it's, I think there's only a couple of bob, you know, difference in the price between that and the ones in the tube. And to be quite honest, I don't like the ones in the tube. They smell and they don't go very far. The lids burst, you know. These last far longer and look prettier, and you can actually paint with these. You can't with the others. So look at that. So I hope that's helped. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon, and I'll look forward to seeing lots of these made.